Hey, I am Kristen DeLieber from LadyJeepers.com. Welcome. I want to thank you for jumping on here with me. We're going to dive right in and where we are going to start. First question that I have for you that is going to answer all three of these questions is, what is your end goal? You have to start with your end goal in mind before you can put a plan together. This can change the longer you have your Jeep and the more you do with your Jeep. However, you need to have an idea before you get started modifying your Jeep. So we need to dive in and ask ourselves some questions. So the questions to ask is, one, is this my daily driver? How much on-road versus off-road do you see yourself driving? Are you leaning more one way or the other? You're going to be on-road more, you're going to be off-road more. You want to be building towards that on-road drivability or your off-road performance and drivability. So where do you want the most performance? Do you want the most performance and handling and functionality on the road, or do you want that performance to be utilized off-road? Don't worry, you can have both. We're going to design your build so that you can have a balance between your on-road and your off-road drivability so you don't lose one or the other. So what we're going to do is we are going to start from the bottom up, literally the bottom up, as we are working through these questions together today. There are different factors that play into the lift height, and you want to understand completely what you will need to modify for each tire size before you jump in. So you need to understand when you're deciding from the bottom up what size tire you're going to go with. I want you to really understand what changes you're going to have to make based on what size tire you're going to go with, because my goal is I want to eliminate any surprises. I never want to hear you say, oh my gosh, I didn't know that. I didn't know I was going to have to make that change or modification or upgrade, so that nothing is a surprise. Thank you for jumping on with me for a quick design your Jeep build tip as we're going over our questions. Thank you, and I will see you again soon. Bye.